Okay, I got another logarithmic equation. This is going to be one that we end up getting two solutions on. It's going to end up producing a quadratic, you'll see. First thing I'm going to do is put this 2 back inside the parentheses to condense it. So we'll have log of x squared, and then the right-hand side's still the same. All right, now we can go ahead and exponentiate both sides. So 10's our base, so we'll do 10 to the power of all this. Basically, you get x squared equals 4x minus 3. Okay, shuffle everything over to one side. We'll have x squared minus 4x plus 3. And we can solve this by factoring. All right, it's going to be x minus 3, x minus 1 equals 0. And so our solutions are going to be x equals positive 3 and x equals positive 1. Maybe. You do want to actually check these solutions because it is possible that you could wind up with extraneous solutions here. So when you're plugging in these values, just make sure that you don't get anything negative. That's going to be the sign, the thing to look for. All right, if you do log of 3, that's fine. And if you do log of 4 times 3 minus 3, that'll give you 9 over here, which is also fine. And if you plug in 1, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 minus 3. Yes, that's totally fine. You can get log of positive 1 here. So both of these are solutions. Like if this was a negative 3 for some reason, that would be bad because you can't do the log of a negative number. Okay. All right, this will be the same type of story, except we need to condense this down to a single logarithm first. Okay. The sum of two logs will be the log of the product of their inputs. So I'm going to put these two pieces together by multiplication. It's log 10. Well, heck, log 10 is just equal to 1. Anyway, I'll treat it like I've done all the other ones. I'm going to exponentiate both sides, do 10 to the power of, and so this is going to give me x squared plus 3x equals 10. Okay, and then we'll move that 10 over. And again, we can solve it by factoring. Okay. The factors of 10 that will subtract to give you 3 are going to be 5 and 2, and the 5 needs to be positive. All right, so our solutions are going to be x equals negative 5 and x equals positive 2. Now, positive 2, that's not going to cause any problems. 2 plus 3, that's 5. Log of 2, that's positive. But negative 5, that is an issue, right? You can't do log of negative 5, and you can't do negative 5 plus 3 to get negative 2 right here. So this one, you would say this is extraneous. All right, it's the solution that you found while you were following all the right steps, but it doesn't satisfy the original equation because it's not in the domain. Negative 5 is not a number that you're allowed to plug in for x. Right?